Behold Antarctica, a continent larger than Europe, covered in ice up to 3 miles thick. For millennia, this frozen giant has slumbered at the bottom of our world. But now it's waking up, and it's angry. What you're witnessing isn't just ice melting. It's the beginning of a catastrophe that could reshape our entire planet. Welcome to the front lines of climate change, where the impossible is becoming reality. In 2023, scientists recorded temperatures in East Antarctica nearly 40 degrees Celsius above normal. Let that sink in, a heat wave in the coldest place on Earth. But this is just the beginning of our story. March 2022. The Conger Ice Shelf, a mass of ice larger than New York City, disintegrated in just days. Scientists were left in shock. This wasn't supposed to happen, at least not this fast. What we're seeing in Antarctica defies our models. The ice is melting faster than our worst-case scenarios predicted. It's like watching a slow-motion train wreck, except the train is the size of a continent. Here's where it gets real. As Antarctica melts, sea levels rise. We're not talking about a few inches. We're facing a potential rise of several meters in the coming decades. Imagine the world's coastal cities, New York, Shanghai, Mumbai, slowly drowning. This isn't science fiction. It's our potential future. But it's not just about us. Antarctica's unique ecosystem is in chaos. Emperor penguins, those tuxedoed icons of the South Pole, could be extinct by the end of this century. Adelie penguins are watching their colonies crumble as the ice they depend on disappears. Beneath the waves, it's equally dire. Krill, tiny shrimp-like creatures that form the base of the Antarctic food chain, are vanishing as the waters warm. No krill means no food for whales, seals, and penguins. It's an ecological domino effect of epic proportion. But here's the kicker. What happens in Antarctica doesn't stay in Antarctica. The continent is a key player in global climate regulation. As it melts, it's disrupting ocean currents, weather patterns, and even the very air we breathe. We're already seeing the effect. Heat waves in Europe, megafires in Australia, superstorms in the Americas, all linked to the changes happening at the bottom of the world. Antarctica isn't just a faraway land of ice and penguins. It's the Earth's air conditioner, and it's breaking down. Right now, scientists are racing against time. They're drilling ice cores, tracking glaciers, and monitoring wildlife, trying to understand what's happening and what it means for our planet's future. And it's not just scientists. The crisis in Antarctica is spurring global action like never before. But is it enough? And more importantly, is it too late? But all hope is not lost. We have the technology and knowledge to make a difference. Renewable energy, sustainable practices, and international cooperation can slow the melt. Every action counts, from the choices we make in our daily lives to the policies our leaders enact. This is more than just a story about melting ice. It's about the future of our planet. A home. The clock is ticking. The ice is melting. What role will you play in this unfolding drama at the edge of the world? Will you be a bystander, or will you be part of the solution? Share this video. Educate others. Demand action from your leaders. Support scientific research. Every step, no matter how small, brings us closer to saving Antarctica and ourselves. The fate of Antarctica is our fate. The time to act is now. What will you do to ensure this icy wonderland doesn't become just a memory?